पार्टनरशिप इंट्रोडक्शन में व्हाट इज द पार्टनरशिप? वी नो दैट द थ्योरी of this chapters. In this chapters we can join the definitions and following features. Understand the features of partnership firm and the need of partnership deed. Understand the point to be covered in partnership deed regarding accounts. Learn the techniques of maintaining profit and loss appreciation account. Familiarize with the two methods of maintaining partners' capital accounts, namely fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Note the capital account balance as per fluctuating capital method is just equal to the sum of the balance of capital account and current account as per fixed capital method. Learn how to arrive the collected profit figures which to be taken to be profit and loss appropriation accounts. Now introduction. An individual, a sole proprietor, may not be in a position to compete with the financial and marginal demand of the present day business world. As a result, two or more individuals may decide to pool their financial and non-financial resources to carry on a business. The preparation of final account of sole proprietors have already been discussed. The final accounts of partnership firm included basic concept of accounting. For admission of a partners, retirement and death, partners have discussed in succeeding unit of this chapters. Now we take the definition and the features of partnership. In this definition, we can say the Indian Partnership Act defines partnership as the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The essential features of partnership are an association of two or more persons, an agreement entered into by all persons concerned, acceptance of a business, the carrying on such business by all or any of them acting for all, and sharing of profit of business, unlimited liabilities of all partners. In this definition, we again say that the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of business carried on by all or any of them for all. This is the definition. It is given in the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Let's features we can say easily now the limited liabilities of a partnership. The Indian Partnership Act 1932 provides for a journal form of partnership which is the most prevalent for in India, but over time the journal form of partnership has lost its charm because of the inherent disadvantage in it. The most of the important shortcoming is the unlimited liabilities of all partners for business debt and legal consequence regardless of their holding, as the firm is not a legal entity. Journal partners are also joined the several liable for the Tortoise Act of co-partners. Each partner has the exposure of their personal assets being appropriate and liquidity to meet partners' due. Now we let us discuss to another topics. Another topics is the main clauses in the partnership deed. पार्टनरशिप डीड में क्या क्या मेन क्लोज होते हैं उनको हम यहाँ देखेंगे. इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड फॉलोइंग फीचर्स आर गोइंग ऑन कंसर्न. फर्स्ट, नेम ऑफ द फर्म ऑफ द पार्टनर्स. फर्म में जितने लोग होते हैं उनका नाम होना चाहिए. commencement and the duties of business, amount of capital to be contributed by each partners. Next, amount to be allowed each partners as drawing and the timing of such drawing. Rate of interest to be allowed to each partners of his capital and on his loan to firm to be charged on the drawing on his drawings. Let us, as the following debts are equaling and maintaining in the 14 points in the partnership deeds. Other points we discussed whenever the partners understand that points are useful for the partnership. Power of the partners. The partners are supposed to have the power to act the certain matter and not to have such powers in the world unless a public notice has been given to the country. Certain contract entered into a partners on a behalf of the partnership, even without consulting of their partners, are binding, and the provision of the act relation question will be applied. Now in this buying and selling goods, receive payment on behalf of the firm, given value receipt, and the other situations of the accounts. The accounts are prepared in the partnership. The following accounts are prepared in the partnership. Mainly the capital accounts are there, are partners. If the three partners of ABC in the three capital accounts are prepared, A's capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account. Let us prepare the another accounts. It is called the profit and loss appreciation account. During the course, business partners firm will prepare trading account and a profit and loss account at the end of the every year. This is done exactly the line already given in the chapter 6. This is to say that the final account of the sole proprietorship concern will not differ from the accounts of partnership firm. The profit and loss account will be show the profit earned by the firm or loss suffered by it. This profit or loss has to be transferred to the capital account of partners accounting according to the terms of the partnership deed on the according. Now the other theories will be discussed in the next videos. So thank you for watching these videos and concerned in the other theory in the next video. Thank you.